Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a DIY all-purpose cleaner. In case you missed my last upload, I shared with you all that I am done with store-bought cleaners and I am determined to begin making my own homemade household cleaners because I just think that it is super easy, it's cheap, and it's better for my home, my wallet, my family, and the environment. But in that last video, I shared with you all a DIY all-purpose cleaning recipe that I didn't really enjoy so much because with the vinegar and the water, it was just a little bit too watery for me. And the vinegar smell, I just really couldn't get past, especially if I'm going to be using this all-purpose cleaner throughout my house. I really wanted to smell just a little bit more pleasant. So I came up with a new recipe that is going to smell amazing, and it's an all-purpose cleaner that's safe for all surfaces, including natural stone countertops. So if you have granite or if you have quartz countertops, you can absolutely make this recipe and use this DIY all-purpose cleaner to clean your countertops because this all-purpose cleaner doesn't have vinegar. First, you will need a 16-ounce glass spray bottle that comes with a spray nozzle, of course, a funnel, a measuring cup, some measuring spoons, and then for your ingredients, you only need 3 ingredients with a possible 4. The 4th ingredient is totally optional. So you're going to need some lavender Castile soap, and I have some rubbing alcohol, some distilled water, and last but not least, the ingredient that's totally optional because this all-purpose cleaner is going to smell good with or without it is this eucalyptus essential oil. That's what's going to give it the eucalyptus lavender scent. So let's go ahead and begin making our DIY all-purpose cleaner. So the first thing you need to do is pour yourself 1.5 cups of distilled water. Okay, I think that's about good. And then the next thing you're gonna need is 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. So let me pop this open. I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to my water. And next, we're going to need a tablespoon of Castile soap. There's my tablespoon. I hope you guys are liking this video so far. It's really hard to do this with one hand and hold the camera, but we're going to make it work. Drop that in like that. And last but not least, and this is totally optional, I'm going to add about 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. You guys, this is already beginning to smell so good. All right. So next, using my funnel, I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything in. All right. Then all you have to do next is attach your spray nozzle, give it a nice shake, and you are good to go, you guys. So when you're ready to start cleaning with your DIY all-purpose cleaner, all you have to do is shake it before every use and then generously spray the area that you want to get clean. And then you grab a clean, dry microfiber cloth and you just start wiping away. There you have it, you guys. A super easy DIY all-purpose cleaner that you can make yourself that's going to be safe for your home, for your family, So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one.